If you are stuck on black screen or your Windows PC, you don't have to panic. Here are few ways to fix it step by step. So first step is to check display connection. If you are using monitor, make sure it's turned on and properly connected. Try unplugging and replugging the HDMI or display cable. Also press the brightness key. Sometimes it's just turned all the way down. You can turn it up. Now the second step is to force a display refresh. For that you have to hold on to Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B all at once. You will hear a beep on your screen. Might be a flicker. This resets the graphic drivers. If the screen comes back, you are good to go. Else you have to try step 3, which is to try safe mode. For that you have to turn off your PC by holding the power button. Now turn it on and force shutdown again. Repeat this process for 3 times. This triggers Windows recovery mode. From there you can click advanced options or go to startup settings. Choose the safe mode with networking. If you can see the screen now, it's likely a driver issue or a startup app causing the black screen. And if nothing is helping, you can disable fast startup. For that you have to go to control panel, then power options, and choose what the power buttons do, and then click change settings that are currently unavailable, then uncheck fast startup. And that's it. One of these should help you bring your Windows screen back to life. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icons so you don't miss any of our other tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.